Hey everybody, it's Bruce with Olive Branch. We are back in Westwood today. I want to show you the addition. You can see behind me, it's up, it's framed. We got the roof on, we're dried in, and we got snow coming this afternoon, so we just made it. It's been great. But let's go warm up inside and show you what the guys are doing in the house. So we're inside the addition. You can see behind us we've made some big progress. We got electricians, we got plumbers, we got HVAC guys coming in, going all throughout this week. We have made some big strides to get ready for installation next week. But I want to show you what's going on in the kitchen. We've got the electrician with us, so let's go check in and see what he's got going on. Hey Mike.
Hey, good morning, Bruce.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing well. How are you today?
Good, good. What do you got going on today?
You know, Bruce, we just got this house opened up. We're just trying to get all the electrical finished. We're rewiring everything, new kitchen, new cans, you know, trying to update the old with the new.
Yeah, it's always tricky, isn't it, to come from an old house that we don't know what's going on behind the walls to new, being able to see everything. It's much easier for you, right?
It is. Actually, it makes you say that. When we do that, you don't realize that old things that we get into to the new things, you know, the whole upstairs, we're having to completely rewire because, you know, it was old. We can't just attach back to that. Yeah. So we have to go back to new. So we're rewiring the entire upstairs because we do have the ceilings open and all those open. So it is easy to do it this time.
That's good. So we have ran into some issues on this house with the old to new, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
We've been able to find ways to make that work for the client. They've asked for some certain upgrades. They've asked for things that they want us to change. But we're actually able to see everything now that it's all opened up, huh?
That's right. When it's all opened up like this, we can do new things like adding can lights like the homeowners wanted and the designers asked for. When it's all completely open, it's much easier to do at the point when it's open.
It's crazy how these old houses, they don't have any light in them, right? And just a couple of can lights adding to a ceiling makes such an impact.
It's amazing back in the day that we just needed one light and a lamp. I mean, that's all people work with. And now you can see in this kitchen we have just 5 cans just in this little kitchen. So it's very nice to upgrade like that.
Cool. Well, I don't want to keep you anymore. Thanks very much for checking in.
Thanks for work, man.
Keep it up. We'll see you on the next one.
Have a good day, Bruce.